Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Chromecast to the internet. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Let's get started. We're going to hop over to Quick Settings and then All Settings. From there, we're going to use Network and Internet. From there, you'll find the available networks here. So when you find the network, you have the Wi-Fi box, the router. Just click on it, and on your Chromecast, you're going to put in the password rather. So put in the password under this title of the modem name or the Wi-Fi name. Just put in the password and then click on this button right here. When that is done, you have your connection successful and you find already connected or connected. And now that you're connected to internet and you're connected successfully, you can stream, you can browse, and enjoy all of that functionality. If you found this insightful, smash the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next tutorial for Chromecast.